Nothing is releasing the Nothing Phone 3A Community Edition in very short time. So today let me tell you everything we know about it so far. So the reason we know it's coming soon is because Nothing just released this teaser. The Pokemon that they used as a codename was a shiny Arcanine. And we can see by the design of this that it's clearly the Community Edition because it has the exact same colors as the Community Edition design that we saw a couple months ago. So this is the official design of how the Nothing Phone 3A Community Edition is going to look like. And personally I think it looks really cool. I mean, this green compared with this like pink and yellow looks really good in my opinion, and it looks very playful. It definitely very much reminds me of the Nothing Phone 2A Special Edition, which also looked pretty cool, and that was actually also green as far as I can remember. So maybe Nothing just really likes green phones. And then apart from that, we know that it's going to come with a little dice accessory, which is 6 dice that are Nothing inspired. I think this is a little weird, but it's definitely a cool little like detail that's very niche. And the reason they're doing this is because they wanted to like do a contest of who could create the best accessory for the phone. I don't think this accessory has much to do with the phone, but maybe in the final release they're gonna make it like different colors so that it matches with the phone itself. And then for a special feature in the software design, they're actually also bringing this new variable watch face software to Nothing OS, which means that it will like highlight the most important parts of the clock on the lock screen, which is a very niche feature. You can maybe like make the first part of the clock in bold or the second part depending on what it thinks is most important. So guys, are you getting a Nothing Phone 3A Community Edition? I mean, I think this is a really cool design and I'm super excited for it. I only think it's the design, the accessory and the software that's changed, and also the marketing campaign. But this will probably be a limited release just like the Nothing Phone 2A Community Edition. So you'll have to sign up as soon as it's possible to do so, because last year there were only 1,000 units and now a Nothing Phone 2A Community Edition is being sold for like $3,000 on eBay. Sealed, I think. If it isn't more expensive than the regular Nothing Phone 3A, I might get it because I'm actually looking for a new smartphone, but we'll see at that time. So yeah guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you want to see more Nothing content in the future, subscribe. Thanks for watching.